This is where we used to swim when we were little. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. And look at these laurels. I've heard researchers say that a lot of the Sasquatch like to stay in the laurels, in the thickets, laurel thickets actually, because they are, something's been digging there. It's hard to see them in there. Look at that big print. Something stepped there, pretty big. Look how amazing. So let's go back up this way. The parking lot and see if we could see a print. There's a place over here that I usually find prints every single time I come up here. What was that? Well, there's a car. I don't want to get them on video, so I'll just take another small video if I find a footprint.